Linus Sebastian of LinusTech Tips recently began daily driving macOS and shared some raw notes on the WAN show.
My experience using the MacBook, actually pretty solid, as long as I use it as a MacBook. The whole thing is really seamless, in theory.
As a seasoned user that primarily daily drives a handful of macOS machines and multiple iOS devices, I'm going to weigh in on his critiques. If you're here to see me tell Linus off or defend your favorite company, you're watching the wrong video. I'm focused on conveying a different perspective, a more technical perspective that came from Windows and still uses Windows for gaming and video editing.
So Luke, go ahead and scroll this document, 2 fingers on the trackpad, like you would. Okay, that feels right? Okay, so that is Apple's natural scrolling, right? So where up is down and down is up, like it was a touchscreen.
Okay.
If you plug in a mouse, it's the same. Down is up and up is down on the scroll wheel, which no is not how that's ever worked in the history of anything other than on Apple's touch mice. You can change that. You can change it from natural to not natural, but if you change the toggle for your mouse, it changes it for your touchpad, and if you change it for your touchpad, it changes it for your mouse. Oh my God! Why? W. Calderini says Apple really wants you to use the Apple mouse, and that's nice, and if they want that, then they should build a mouse that doesn't destroy my wrist. That's not an option for me. I literally will not.
Or you need to
use
help
that.
this turtle in order to charge it, because you still have to do that, don't you?
Yes.
I too disagree with that user sentiment. Have you seen the laughable design? I'd instead say they're more keen about adoption of their trackpad. Gestures simply do a lot more than macOS. Having the top of the mouse be a trackpad is god-awful. I have tried using it and it immediately frustrates me, as whenever I reposition or adjust my fingers on top of the mouse, it gets interpreted as a scroll or some other kind of gesture.